In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a match in Facebook Dating. First, you will want to open the Facebook app. This is the foundation for all the actions we will take. As the app launches, you'll see your news feed. This is where you can stay updated with your friends and family. The Facebook app is essential because it integrates all the features you need, including dating. If you do not have the app installed, make sure to download it from your app store. Once the app opens, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Next, tap on the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. This icon is typically located in the bottom right corner on iOS devices and the top right on Android devices. When you tap this icon, a sidebar will slide out, revealing various options and features available on Facebook. The menu is your gateway to navigating through the app efficiently. It allows you to access different sections easily, including your profile, settings, and importantly for this video, the dating feature. From there, find and tap on dating. This option may be towards the top of the menu or further down depending on your app layout. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the Facebook dating section, where you can explore matches and initiate conversations. The dating feature is designed to help you connect with potential partners, and accessing it is crucial for managing your matches. You will see a new screen with your potential matches, making it easier to choose who to interact with next. Now tap on Matches. This will bring you to a list of all the people you have matched with on Facebook Dating. You will see their profiles along with the option to chat with them. This list is important because it reflects your current connections. If you ever feel a match is not right for you, knowing how to manage this list will save you time and hassle later. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the match you wish to delete. After that, open the conversation with the match you want to unmatch. You can do this by tapping on their name or profile picture. The conversation will open up, showing your chat history. This is where you can review your interactions and decide if you want to move forward or remove this match. It's a good practice to reflect on your conversations as they give insight into your connection. At this point, tap the shield or three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically represents more options or settings related to your conversation. By tapping it, you will be presented with additional actions you can take regarding this match. This is a crucial moment because it leads you to the option to unmatch. It's designed to ensure you have control over your connections. Next, tap Unmatch. This action is significant because it directly affects your current relationship with this match. When you tap Unmatch, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. This step is essential to ensure that you are making a conscious choice. Finally, tap Confirm. This finalizes the action of unmatching with the selected person. A confirmation message may appear, reassuring you that the action has been successfully completed. This step is vital because it permanently removes the match and your conversation from Facebook Dating. You will not be able to message each other unless you match again in the future. Remember, unmatching is a straightforward process that helps you curate your dating experience. Following these steps will ensure you manage your matches effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.